guys, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today we're making a Cuban macaroni salad. It's really easy to make, so let's get started. Hola mis cariños, les voy a mostrar cómo hacer una ensaladita de coditos o ensaladita fría. Vamos a empezar. This salad is really refreshing for the summer, and it's really easy to make. So all you're gonna need is 1 pound of elbow macaroni. You're gonna need ham. You're gonna need chicken. You're gonna need pineapple, apple, and an onion. I'm using red onion because it's sweeter. And now I'm gonna dice up everything, and I like to dice everything up small. I don't like big chunks of food into my salad, so I'm gonna dice everything really little, and it's up to you. If you want to dice it larger, you can. This salad is really tropical. It has a lot of sweet flavors to it, and if you want to change it up, you can. If you don't like pineapple, you can put whatever fruit you want. But the basic Cuban salad, macaroni salad, is just macaroni, chicken, ham. And some people leave the ham out, and then some people leave the chicken out. So it's up to you. If you want to add eggs to it, you can add eggs to it. Some people add carrots to it also, and just potatoes. So it just depends on your taste. If you want to switch it up, you can. I'm just showing you a simple Cuban salad. Now I'm chopping up my chicken thigh. I had leftover in the refrigerator from the night before, and I'm using chicken thigh because chicken breast is a little bland. It is bland, and chicken thigh has a little more flavor to it. So now we're gonna go over to the stove and start boiling our macaroni. The macaroni box says that we have to cook it for 25 minutes. So I'm going to cook it for about maybe 15 minutes. And then it should be basically al dente. You don't want it to be overcooked. So now I'm going to add the macaroni to my water. I had it boiling for about 15 minutes prior. And I'm adding a little salt to season the macaroni up. And I'm going to add a little bit of oil so that the macaroni doesn't stick together. Now I'm going to stir the water up so I can mix up the salt and the oil. And I'm not going to cover or put a lid over top of the pot because then it will boil over. So it's been 15 minutes and my macaroni is ready. So now I'm going to pour off the water and add some cold water to stop the cooking process. Okay, since I used 1 whole box of macaroni, which was a pound, I'm making 2 bowls of macaroni salad. 1 macaroni salad is going to have ham and chicken. The other one's just going to have chicken with the other ingredients that I mentioned before. Now, if you want to add an egg to it, you can add an egg to it. I was going to add an egg to it, but my son doesn't eat eggs. He doesn't like eggs. And, who doesn't like eggs, right? No. He doesn't. He's never liked eggs. But anyway, so I'm leaving the egg out, and I'm just going to add all the other ingredients to it. Now I'm going to add the pineapple to it and the apple. And as far as the fruit is concerned, you can dice it up as small as you want. If you dice it up really small, then you really just going to get a hint of pineapple. But if you really want to taste a nice piece of pineapple, don't dice it up too small. If you prefer not to cut the apples into cubes, you can cut them in julienne strips. So it's your salad. You can cut them anyway. You can cut it any way you want to. So now I'm going to add the mayonnaise to it, and I'm just basically eyeballing it because I don't know how much mayonnaise I'm going to need. But you just add as much mayonnaise as you think you're going to need. I have always loved eating salads, and salads are so refreshing. They're cold, they're crunchy, and just delicious. That's why I love to make them. They're really easy, and they're very low in calories. So, well, it depends on what you put in them because you have to be careful. You can overload your healthy salad and make it unhealthy. So now I'm just adding salt and pepper to it, nothing else. I'm going to mix everything together. And I may add a little bit of parsley over top of it just for color.
This salad is really great to make. It's nice, cold, and refreshing, and all of the flavors marry well together. The sweet and the salty combination from the fruit and the meat are a perfect combination. And if you guys do try this recipe and you're in my Facebook group, drop me a photo and let me know what you think about the salad. And if you have any other salad ideas that you want to share with the group, let me know, because I love trying new salads. At this point, you want to taste it to see if it needs any more salt or pepper. And I added a little parsley over top of it for a pop of color. Okay, tell me what you think about the salad.
Tastes like I'm on a beach. This is
that's
amazing.
good. Okay.
Shout out to Lily's Cuban Kitchen, y'all.
Well, guys, it's time for me to go. I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. And make sure that you like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And also, that was my son. He has a YouTube channel also called Cyrus Combs. So make sure that you check him out. I'll leave the link in the description below. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.